Our focus is on helping women, children, and women with children and families with children to improve their well-being within the state of New Mexico. We also make sure that vulnerable populations have access to justice. We think that everybody should have access to the legal system, to the court system, regardless of how much money they make. We've been working to establish what's called a CUSO, a credit union service organization, where women who are survivors who want to leave their abuser can get access to loans at a very low rate, which would include access to attorneys, access to jobs. They will need access to sometimes behavioral health, have access to transportation for themselves, but most importantly, we want to help to lift the well-being of New Mexico.
Our organization started around 2006 as a supporting group to the victims of domestic violence and sexual assault. And right now we expanded our programs and the services, so we're covering more. Not only crime victims, but also we have multiple programs, community programs, and we also do civic engagement and also client support for the overall recovery.
We are a middle school that services students 6th through 8th grade. We have about 330 students, and one of our goals is to really make sure that our instruction is innovative and provides hands-on learning, project-based learning experiences to our kids. So with the chair donation, we are setting up a STEAM room, which is science, technology, engineering, and math room. We're actually, we have a new teacher on board who will be teaching STEAM-specific classes, and then we'll be co-teaching with a science teacher, incorporating the STEAM and ag, and we're going to be using this furniture for that room.
Raton has a lot of underserved population and homeless population and veterans. So we'll be providing multiple services from homeless showers to teaching cooking, nutrition, life skills. We're hoping to cut down recidivism. We'll work with law enforcement to try to help teach people coming out of jail how to live a clean and sober life. The chairs are going to be for our waiting area, and the office chairs will be for my corporate office. We'll be housing RAIN, RIDA, Raton Youth Development Alliance, and our corporation. Thank you so much to Blue Cross. I love you guys. Love, love, love you guys. You have helped out enormously with us being able to start hopefully as soon as possible.
This donation will be a huge help to the programs that we plan on implementing, so thank you.
So thank you, Blue Cross Blue Shield of New Mexico, for the 4 chairs. They are absolutely perfect to help make sure that we can continue to do the work that we are doing to help the New Mexicans have a better life, and that they have a place to sit when they come into our office. So thank you again.